Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. And it's already almost 6:30 in the morning here. I already attend the mass, 5 a.m. mass this morning. So look at that beautiful view. So we're going home because Virgil have some band practice later. So I'm not been able to stop there in the market to buy some vegetables because it's been hard to park in the van that we normally park because they've been fixing the drainage, right?
Yeah.
And I need to be hurry also because Virgil needs to go to the school for the band practice. So I just let my friend Bastion go to the market later. So as you can see, we are here at the dirt road on the way to our home. It's a really beautiful morning.
You see that?
What is that? Sugar cane.
Yeah, sugar cane.
Yeah, there's a lots of sugar cane, guys, as you can see. And looks like we have a nice weather today.
Yeah, it looks like what we're going to have will come in from the west, which is unusual. Usually it comes in from the east.
Yeah.
Look like southwest mostly.
It's nice that it's not been raining here.
But,
As you can see that, yeah, it's been 2 days now, it's not been raining. So as you can see, the ground is dry now.
Yeah, I might get to go out to the coop today.
Yeah, maybe we try to go to the coop later today.
Yeah.
Look at that coconut, guys. There's a lot of coconut there. The skies are bright. Another solar day for us.
Yeah. Been on solar since 4 a.m.
Yeah. And
17 hours yesterday.
thanks God it's sunshine because we have brownout, early brownout this morning. Around 6 a.m. right? In the church ba? The lights off and they use that generator there in the church. So it be a whole day brownout for us. So we got lucky that we have solar.
Yeah.
Emergency backup.
Yeah, and also it just reduced our electric bill.
Yeah. So it's nice. So there's a lots of people. Their motorcycle. They're gonna go to the market. I miss going to the market. It's been 2 Sundays now that not been to the market because it's every Sunday. There's a lots of vendors that been selling some fresh vegetables. Normally they came from Canlaon City, most of the vegetables that they sell, so it's still fresh and it's very affordable.
How many Sundays since I've been to the market? How many Sundays has it been since I've been to the market?
Oh, I not remember. So it's sometimes only my friend and her husband, I let them go to the market because their motorcycle can go closer. They can park closer to the market and it's not really hard to carry the
Yeah, because it's not a big amount.
vegetables, huh?
We don't buy a big amount either. It's not
No,
like
it's
we
not.
buy a
It's
truckload.
yeah, it's not really. It's just good for 1 week
Yeah.
because if we buy so many,
It's spoiled.
it will spoil and
And we don't want spoiled.
yeah, we want it to be fresh, right?
Yeah. It'd be wasting money if we let it spoil.
Yeah.
And we can't afford to waste any money.
Yeah, it's so bouncy, guys.
Yeah.
Shaky, shaky.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy. Lots of hole in the road, in the ground. As you can see. Bouncy, bouncy. There's no sugarcane workers this morning because every Sunday they don't have work.
Some Sundays that I've seen them out here.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah.
If they really have an emergency. I mean,
if there's a big demand for it.
yeah, big demand. So in this side of the sugarcane field, they already harvest the sugarcane.
And look like they've already started planting too.
Yeah, they're gonna start replant it soon.
Yeah.
They already burned this side here. That there, they burned, then they're gonna replant. I don't understand why they, after they cut the sugarcane, why they burn it, baby? For fertilizer or what?
Well,
Make the soil.
it'd make better fertilizer if they just plowed under.
Yeah. So the rainy seasons this year, it came so early.
Yeah.
So we don't use a lot of solar in summertime, right?
Well, when it rains.
Yeah. It starts like June. Is it June? Starts raining?
Yeah, usually it's June. This year it started in May.
Yeah, May.
A month early. And we didn't get maybe a month of dry season. 6 weeks, something like that. It was short term. The temperature's hotter now too.
Yeah.
Even with the rain, it's been hot.
There's a smoke over there. Looks like they burned something.
That's Willie Nelson smoke.
Is he still alive?
Yeah. He's still smoking.
Smoking?
He's in his early 90s.
Really? Wow. I don't see the volcano this morning.
You know, with the brownout, that means our place of Wi-Fi will be busy today.
Yeah, our piece of Wi-Fi will be very busy today because it's brown out. So it means that some of the piece of Wi-Fi in our neighbors won't be, what's that?
Yeah, they won't be operational.
They won't, no operation.
Even if they got electricity, more than likely it won't be because the fiber was already off this morning.
Yeah. So the fiber, it's so early off this morning, right?
Yeah.
Around what time?
Yeah,
3 a.m.?
About 4 a.m.
4 a.m.?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I was watching TV and all of a sudden, no fiber.
So maybe it's run out also in San Carlos.
Yeah, more than likely.
Beautiful trees there. So see you guys later. So stay tuned for now and see what happens.
I'll catch you on the flip side.
Yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and we're on the way going to the mango tree of my grandma. It's in the other side, and I'm wearing jacket because it's too hot here. And let's see if there's a lot of mango falling down in the ground because it's a little bit windy here. Then there's a lot of ripe mango at the top of her mango tree. So some of them fall down in the ground. So we're gonna find if there's lots of mango, ripe mango. They're in the ground under her mango tree. And I just walk alone here. And my relative been there first. So they also get some cassava cake while they are there. My grandma have a lot of cassava plant. Sorry, it's a cassava plant, guys. So cassava plant, it's good to make a cassava cake on it. And it's good also when you boiled it, you can put some coconut milk, and it's really delicious. And you can put some sugar on it, and it's really good. That's what Filipino normally eats when they live here in the province. They eat that cassava together with coconut milk with sugar on it. That's what they eat in lunchtime, and it's really delicious, and it's organic also. And I'm almost there, so it's not really far where we live. My grandma's mango tree, she also has a mango tree beside on her house. Sama na iya. Magkuan ka tong kusina. That's my uncle there. He's getting some sand because he's gonna make some kitchen for my auntie. And I'm gonna cross this creek here. There's a creek. So I need to be careful because it's a little bit slippery. Water is so cold, guys. Oh, there's a carabao. Carabao. There's a carabao behind me, guys, and it's like he's mad at me. Look at that carabao there. So I'm gonna show you guys. So that carabao there, 3 of them. I think 3 of 4. There are 4 on there. Our neighbor owns that. It's a big one there, guys. So here in the province, most of the people own some carabaos and cows because they use that for farming, and it's really helpful for them, especially when they have some corn field, rice field. They're gonna use the carabao. And I'm gonna show you guys this one here. So over here there's a mountain water. See, some of our neighbors been using this to wash their dishes and to shower, to take a bath. They're gonna use this one to do their laundry. They're gonna use this water here because some of the people here in our community, they don't have a source of water. We have a water supply here, but the problem is it's not been on all the time, so they're gonna use a mountain water beside the creek. So before, when I was a kid, that's what we've used also with my grandma, a mountain water. That's where we drink also, because we cannot afford to buy purified water or mineral water. So that's what we're gonna use. It's really good in taste because it's a little bit sweet. We're almost there to the mango tree of my grandma. I think she owns 3 mango trees in this area here, and This is her garden, guys. She have a lots of banana tree. Oh, this is the look of a cassava plant. Yeah. My grandma owns that banana tree over there. She owns a lot of banana tree on here. Look at that, guys. And there's more papaya. Papaya. And kalamog. Unsa mo dadong? Muago ninyo? Ah. It's kalamunggay tree yan. That's my relative and my cousins there. They're getting some cassava. Pakitagod ko dong. Akong videohan ang kuan dong. Kamuting kahoy. So this is the look of a cassava, guys. They already take out some of the cassava. So look at that. Big one. This is a cassava. We call it kamuting kahoy. This is good. You put some sugar. You boil it with coconut milk and water. And you're gonna put some sugar. It's really good. They got many on there. Oh, that suck. They're gonna cook it, guys. Budbud, no? They're gonna make budbud. You know what's called budbud. You can cook different style of that cassava. You can cook it you can cook like puto balanghoy. Oh, there's a lot of mango there, guys. Oh, on the top. Just need to be careful. That's my niece there. Pia, hi. Say hi. She's in grade 7 now. Grade 7. Virgil is in grade 6. So she is in grade 7. So we are here, guys. This is the mango tree of my grandma. Oh, look at that. There's mango in the ground. Some of them is overripe, as you can see, overripe, and some of the birds been eating with it. She have a lot there at the top. There are so many. Oh. How we gonna? Oh, there's a ripe one there at the top, as you can see. Wow, Pia found one. We're gonna find some. Oh, there's mango in there, guys. Look. Oh, how lucky we are. Look. Look at that. So we have a net to put the mango. So it's really good. Wow, there's more. Look at that, guys. Wow, free mango for us. No need to climb to that tree because it's just fell off from the ground. There's more in there. Oh, there's more in here. Look. Look at that. Wow, how lucky we are. Oh, we have that many now inside that net. So we're gonna find more and more. So we need to be careful here because maybe there's an anaconda in here. Oh, she found two in there. There's many. Have more. Oh, look. Wow. Yes. It's nice. Ha? Ito, no? Pagkit ako ko ato lihog day. Butang sa day. Oh. There, but look like it. Then overripe. Look at that. There's an insect inside in the mango. You can eat it. Oh, more.
Si daot kayo may mabungag.
Asa man? Three. It's a Morning that time. During May. So have coat in tong utsa in different category. One, senyorita, saman. Mango that we or Indian mango. And over there. In the enjoy and so play all that's is the view. And layo yang teman din on that kay no what may try no it's not type yet your own. This is salt is good. Sell this fruit. This is good also. The banana fish on it. We go to fall. Dadak. That's very the ripe mango. The catch. Ang bago mo. 3 kilo mango. 3 kilo. So mango float. Look. Look.
Masina na.
They're hot with the
Dito tama na.
Narap to. Ito ba?
Sa to pa.
Ang gawin mo sa dlanan. Oh, there's more here. Oh. Good. Here. It's alright. Wipe. There's worm inside. So we're gonna go to the other side.
Kung kuan gan hinata mi riyo. Yung dakta ka ng mga kuan ba pare akong kisa gusto na dakta sa una. Tapos si makito no kung nadakdak sa mangga. Ano? Sa ang favorite na ko na mangga tamere ano. Sabi rin na ka ng mga tag-as ba kasi senyorita ra gyud og katpaho.
Dami man. So my grandma pineapple nun. Apple, the look of the pineapple. Grandma already collect the pineapple root meat.
Kung ano lang ko mangga na lahat.
I enjoy living in the province because especially right now you can get a lot of fruits on here. Mangoes, star apple, papaya. And look at what I've seen, guys. Sugarcane field. Oh, there's a lot of papaya there. That's papaya. That's papaya there. Oh my God, it's not ripe yet. But the one it's not ripe, you can cook it together with chickens. You can make some chicken soup together with papaya. So there's a lot of benefits in papaya. There's a lot of vitamins and it's really good for your health. And if you have no meat to eat, you just grab papaya in your garden and cook it. You can put also sardines on the papaya. No. Oh, there's jackfruit, guys. Oh, jackfruit. Look at there. At the top, there's a jackfruit. Look at that. That's a jackfruit. Looks like the birds been eating on that because there's brown spot there. I think it's ripe already, then the birds eat it. I can focus my camera. Oh, that's a jackfruit over there. There's more there at the top. Oh, that's really cool. We have also some jackfruit there in our chicken coop, but it's not been some fruit yet. And oh, there's banana on there. Look at that, guys. There's banana on there. Let me show you. Look at that. Wow, banana, guys. But this banana here, we not own it. It's from our neighbors. It belongs to our neighbor. The one, we have some banana in our property, but it's not ready yet to eat. We have atis there too. It's a fruit also, guys.
Balo ka na makaon na sa kawayan sa may itong dabong.
Mautan man ano.
Dabong.
Una dai. So we're gonna go to the other side because there's a lot of mango tree here. Maybe there's a lot. We can get more mangoes. Even though we not own it, but it's fine because it fall down in the ground. We can have it even if we not ask the owner because it's free because it's already in the ground. So we're gonna get more, guys. Gonna get more mango. Because if you buy that mango there in the market, it's 150 pesos per kilo. So it's like $3 per kilo. Almost $3 per kilo. And we can get it for free here. We're enjoying walking, guys. I have a good exercise today. And it's so windy also. The breeze here is very nice, very cool. Mao na siya kuan, paho man na. So this kind of mango this kind of mango tree, we call it paho. It's just not as big tree compared to the other side. It's just small tree. Naa. Oh, look at this, guys. This is smaller than the one we got. So we call it paho. So look at that. This mango is much smaller than the one we got. Oh, lami kaya na siya mahinog. Dada pa, oh. There's more here, oh.
Hilaw na. Hilaw man na.
Pahinugon. Pwede naman pahinugon. We can bring this one and maybe in a couple of days it will ripe. Nahinog yung kuha. Nahinog itong nakuha ninyo. This one is ripe already. But it's overripe, guys. More there. Be careful. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, wow. This is paho, guys. Manok. Oh my God. We're really in the jungle, guys. There's a lot of birds in there. We can hear lots of bird sounds. Napam na dito tayo udaghan. Lata mo sa? Oh, I hear airplane, guys. It's on that side there. Oh, katong santol. There's a lot of gabi here. I think taco in English. They plant taco in here. Oh, there's more. There's more. Wow, how lucky I am. This is small, but it's very sweet. This kind of mango, even the look is even the size is very small, but when you eat it, especially when it's ripe, it's very good. It tastes so sweet. Even my husband likes this one too. Oh, there's more in here. More. There's more, guys. Look at that. Nadagan dira ikuan man day. I think this is overripe, the other one. There's more here. There's more. Oh, it's overripe, guys, as you can see. And here, over here, it's overripe also. There's a lot of mango. It's been overripe. There are more here. Gani. Good, guys. Ay, gagmay kay day.
Okay pa?
And look at that. Oh, we have many now. We got many. So we're gonna eat some of this. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. So maybe we're gonna go home soon, because I'm gonna cook some lunch for my husband. I'm gonna cook some lunch for him. And I'm enjoying myself here. Oh, kaon ta.
Ano oh?
It's really good, guys.
Iba
Hinog.
kong tagak. Oh, hinog na. Ang tagak. Cute. Good on ito, Miri.
Gani ako itong tilawang atong tamis. Okay, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really do appreciate all of you for all the nice comments, for all the love and support. So, I will see you all on my next video. So, God bless us all, guys, and see you on my next video.